this morning and just looking for breakfast. Looking for somewhere to go for breakfast. You can see all the streets are empty. Small Outback town. Quite interesting. We are in the main street of Tibooburra. You can see. Hardly anyone out here. And decided to go in this place here. I heard there's a nice breakfast, and they also got some fuel here too, so you can get some fuel. And the shop's open, and we'll try to go in there and we'll see what we can find. It's all open. We are inside the corner country store now and going to order some breakfast here. It's an Outback store, so it's quite interesting. And you can see through the window out there, someone filling the fuel there. It's a very old laid-back town, very quiet, peaceful. Very interesting, like you're traveling back in time. Very interesting. Is she there? What did you order, Mom?
I'm having a hot chocolate.
Yeah?
And some poached eggs.
What I'm going to have?
I've got a hot chocolate and some bacon eggs.
Oh, that's nice.
Nanny, have a look at the beautiful cabinet there.
Yeah.
It's an original cabinet.
Yeah. That's nice. Yeah. Yeah, egg and bacon looks alright.
Oh, that looks lovely.
Yeah, and a hot chocolate. Oh, nice.
Poached eggs.
Yeah, poached eggs. We are in Tibooburra this morning, and we will learn a few things about this place, the history. I think there's a boat up there. They brought this back in inland Australia because they were looking for inland sea. So they were thinking there's a sea somewhere inland, but they brought the boat all the way here. Still you can see, I think it's a replica. As you can see here, from Tibooburra to Wadi Gate and Wongkumara Gate are closed. They are the two gates you can enter into Queensland, but because of the recent rainfalls, those roads, because they're not sealed and they turn into like really clay muddy, so you don't want to go on those roads. So for your safety, they've been closed till the further notice. Hello guys and girls, I hope you're enjoying the video. Now you can enjoy the movie with me in one of the old movie theaters in the world, the Outback, Australia, under the open skies. Yeah. Yeah, this is the history. That's why we're here to explore some of the historic moments in the area, and this is one of them. Once upon a time, people would be sitting here with the children or, with the families enjoying the movies. So it's nice to see. There's plenty to see and do for the tourists in this area. So hopefully when this we all can enjoy more Outback, outdoors. Until then, just take care and keep watching the videos and keep supporting the channel. And thank you very much for your company. Hello, Gary. How are you, Mighty? Not that one. That one. Yeah. All right. So, what are we doing here? What's this project?
This is a project in Tibooburra.
Yeah. So, what are you building here? Yeah.
We're building a deck here in front of the village committee's office.
Yeah. And so,
further around, we're building the playground.
Playground.
Public toilet block.
Yeah, public toilet block.
And in the future, there's going to be a skating ring at the back.
Yeah. So there will be more accommodation over here too.
We redone the accommodation, so there's six en-suites now.
Yeah, yeah. All right. So after this road being finished, the bitumised, so there are more tourists coming this way now.
We've seen tourists coming this way straight away.
Yeah. So we need more now, don't we?
Yeah, no, the very day the bitumen was finished, away the tourists come the next day. So
yeah?
It was good, yeah.
So what else is in this area like to see and to do for the tourists?
There's national parks to see.
The national park to see?
Yeah, they can go to Cameron's Corner and
Corner.
Be in 3 states at once.
Yep.
You can go on from there, you can go on to Innamincka.
Yep.
Stay at the Innamincka Hotel.
Yeah.
You can go to the dig tree.
Yeah.
Out at Napamiri.
Yeah.
From this way back down, you can go to Whitecliffs, which is opal field.
Yeah.
Plenty of national parks.
Yes. Is there any gold mining around here too, or gold prospecting?
Still there is a gold mine here. It's on hold at the moment, but no, there's plenty of prospectors come here. There's prospectors come here every winter.
Every winter?
Yeah.
Do they find anything?
Oh, well, they don't say, do they? You know, if they're drinking up in the pub, they probably are.
Yeah. Guy, he's Gary Barlow from Broken Hill, and we're just catching up with him today and to find out the progress in Tibooburra and where we're heading in which direction. So, nice fella. Yeah. And any of you are building projects in the area, you can contact him too.
Yeah.
He's a really good builder.
We've got the whole family here.
And he got the whole family here working for him. Yeah, a wonderful man too.
Yeah.
Thanks, Gary.
Right.